Good morning to all. Today our chapter is perimeter and area plane figures, that is exercise 16b from the book Innovative Math Books. Last class we have completed number 1 to 5 तो complete हो गया था. आज हम लोग कर रहे हैं number 6. Question of 6 what is given? Find the area of a rhombus whose diagonals are 10 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Diagonal given, you have to find out area of rhombus. Okay. So first of all, number 5. What is given? Sorry, number 6. Question number 6. Diagonals given. Mean D1, first diagonal given 10 centimeter. Second diagonal given 8 centimeter. Okay. Therefore, area of rhombus formula is half product of diagonal. Yes or no? That means half D1 is 10, D2 is 8. 2 4 ja 8, 10 into 4 ja 40 centimeter square. Therefore, area of rhombus is 40 centimeter square. Now come to question number 7. What is given question number 7? Just to see. Question number 7, it is given that a plot 110 meter long, 80 meter broad is to be covered with grass, leaving 5 meter all around. Find the area of the land to be laid with grass. Okay. So first of all, plot, you have to draw on a rectangular plot whose length given and breadth given. This is the rectangular plot. In this rectangular plot, length given 110 meter and breadth given 80 meter. Okay. You have to leave 5 meter all around, means like this. Just leaving 5 meter all around, you have to let grass. That means this length is how much? 5 meter. This length is 5 meter. When from here 5 meter decrease, again 5 meter decrease. Outside length is 110, inside length will be 110. Inside length will be 110, outside length minus 2 into 5. How much coming? 110 minus 10, which is equal to 100 meter. Okay. The inside length, this length equal to how much? This side 5 decrease, this side also 5 decrease. That means 2 into 5, 10 decrease. And inside breadth, this breadth will be how much? Outside breadth is 80. Outside is this side 5 decrease, this side also 5 decrease. That means 80 minus 2 into 5. How much coming? 80 minus 10, which is equal to 70 meter. Inside length, breadth you found. Okay. Now you have to find the area of inside rectangle. Means inside area of inside rectangle means this portion. You have to find out. Here you have to grassland. Okay. Area of inside rectangle. The formula is what? Length into breadth. The length into breadth. Your length, how much you got? 100 meter. And inside breadth you got 70 meter. How much coming? 7,000. 7,000 meter square. In this question number 7 completed. Let us go question number 8. Question number 8. The perimeter of a square. You know perimeter square formula is 4 into side, all the side of the square is equal to each other. Perimeter square given 48 meter. The area of a parallelogram is 4 square meter less than the area of the given square. If the length of a base of the parallelogram is 14 meter, then find corresponding altitude drawn on it. Okay. So first of all, perimeter given. Perimeter square given how much? Right, perimeter. I am writing short perimeter given 48 meter. Okay. Perimeter of the square. Therefore, side of the square, how will find? Side of the square. Side of the square will be perimeter by 4. How much coming? 12 4 is 48, 12 meter. After finding the side, you can find area of square. Area of the square. Formula is what? Side whole square. Side whole square, which is equal to 12 whole square. That is coming 144 what is meter square? 44 meter square. Okay, area of the square. So according to question, area of parallelogram will be 4 less, as per the question, 144 minus 4 less than the area of the square. How much coming? 140 meter square. So according to formula for area of parallelogram, formula is what? Base into height, base into altitude. Height or altitude एक ही बात, altitude equal to 140. The base तो given, base of the parallelogram given, how much given? 14 meter. 14 into h is equal to 140. Therefore h will be how much? H means altitude will be 140 by 14. 14 10 how much coming? 10 meters. The length of altitude drawn on the parallelogram having base 14 meter coming 10 meters. Okay. In this way, this question number 8 also completed. Question number 9. Question number 9. Find the area of a rhombus whose side is 110 meters. Side of the rhombus given and one diagonal given 40 meters. So you know that all the sides of rhombus are equal to each other. Here, first of all, you have to draw one figure, rhombus figure. Suppose ABCD is a rhombus having each side 110 meter, 110 meter, 110 meter, and one diagonal given 40. Means by diagonal bisect each other at right angle. If BD equal to 40, the BO will be 20, half of the 40. In the triangle AOB, right hand triangle, you have to find out AO, which is the half of diagonal AC. How will find AO? By using Pythagoras theorem. A will be 110 का whole square, that is hypotenuse, minus 20 का whole square. A square माने B square formula क्या है ना? A minus B whole to A plus B. How much coming? 110 minus 20 coming 90. This is coming 130. Just you have to simplify like this. 9 into 10 into 10 into 13. दो 10 में एक 10 जाएगा रूट ओवर, और 9 का रूट ओवर 3 होता है. 10 इंटू 3 30 रूट ओवर 13. 13 का रूट ओवर तो नहीं होगा, ऐसे छोड़ दो. Coming 30 root over 13. This much meter. This is AO we got. Therefore diagonal AC will be twice of AO. 2 into 30 root 3 root over 13, sorry, 60 root over 13 meter. Other diagonal. Now area of rhombus formula is what? Half product of diagonal. Area of rhombus formula is half product of diagonal. That is coming 1 by 2. 40 first diagonal, second diagonal 60 root over 13. 2 से काटो 20. 20 into 60 coming कितना? 1200 root over 13 meter square. Question number 9 complete. Question number 10 देखो क्या दिया है. Question number 10. The parallel sides of a trapezium are 18 meter and 28 meter, and the non-parallel sides are each equal to 13 meter. Find the area of the trapezium. Okay, first of all you have to draw one trapezium. You have to draw one trapezium. Trapezium two sides parallel to each other. एक तो रफ डायग्राम बनाओ ट्रापेजियम का, जस्ट लाइक दिस. टू साइड पैरेलल टू इच अदर, दिस साइड पैरेलल टू इच. सपोज AB CD इज ए ट्रापेजियम जिसका AB का साथ CD पैरेलल है, एटलीस्ट वन साइड पैरेलल, वन पेयर. इट इज गिवन दैट द पैरेलल साइड्स ऑफ ए ट्रापेजियम आर 18 मीटर, माने दिस इज 18 मीटर एंड अदर साइड गिवन 28 मीटर, 28 मीटर. And the non-parallel sides are each equal to 13 meter. ये दोनों साइड इक्वल है 13 मीटर, ये भी 13 मीटर है कि नहीं. हाउ टू सॉल्व, हाउ टू फाइंड आउट एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्रापेजियम. इफ आई ड्रॉ परपेंडिकुलर, you can draw from here also. As it is an isosceles trapezium, this is 18, this also 18 meter, no doubt. The total 28 से 18 माइनस करो, कितना आएगा 10. मतलब this is 5, this is also 5. Just name it. कोई बेटा नाम दो M and this is नाम दो N. As it is an isosceles trapezium, non-parallel sides are equal to 13 meter, 13 meter. If I draw perpendicular, then this middle one will be a rectangle ABNM. A18 AB18 होगा. टोटल 28 से 18 माइनस करो, कितना आएगा 10. 10 को दो भाग करो 5, इधर भी 5. अभी इट इज ए राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल, ADM इज ए राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. तुमको AM फाइंड करना है. A मीन्स ऑल्टीट्यूड. हाउ विल फाइंड, पहले लिखो इन द ट्रायंगल ADM, इन द ट्रायंगल ADM, इन द ट्रायंगल ADM AM तुमको फाइंड करना पड़ेगा, दैट इज ऑल्टीट्यूड, हाइट. कैसे फाइंड करें? 13 का होल स्क्वायर यूजिंग पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, 13 का होल स्क्वायर माइनस 5 का होल स्क्वायर। 13 का होल स्क्वायर कितना? 169, 5 का होल स्क्वायर 25। 169 माइनस 20 कितना आ रहा है? 144 का रूट ओवर कमिंग 12 मीटर। This 12 meter is nothing but altitude of the trapezium. Now, area of trapezium formula is what? Area of trapezium formula is half sum of parallel side means 18 plus 28 into height. Height means 12. You got 12. देखो कितना आ रहा है? 2 से काटो 6, 18 plus 28 कितना आ रहा है? 3, 46, 46 into 6 कितना आ रहा है? 456. Area of trapezium 456 meter square. 6, 46 into 6 कितना है? 6 is a 36. 6 and 6 4 is 24. That is 276. This is coming 276. 276. 6 is 36. 6 हाथ में 3 है. 6 4 is 24. 24 plus 3 27. 276 meter square. In this way, question 10 completed. Area of trapezium. Up to 10 I have completed. Next day I will do remaining part of the exercise. Thank you for today's class.